Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to control who messages you on Tinder. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface, and initially what we need to do is simply go to settings. At the top left, here is your profile right here. It includes your profile picture along with your name. I'm simply gonna click on it. Once you're in this page, right here, this is your profile. If you want to edit it, you can click on this edit info button right here. But what we need to do is simply scroll down on the left hand side. I'm simply going to scroll down right now. And right here, you can see something like message preferences. And just below it, message controls. I'm going to click on this button right here that says message control. And something like this will open up. Do note that I have already enabled this only verified users button right here. When enable this, only members with photo verified profiles will be able to send us messages. In case you have not enabled it, simply toggle on this button and then you can control who messages you on Tinder. Well guys, that's it. That's how we control who messages you on Tinder. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.